What's up, YouTube? It's November 20th, it's November 25th, 2020. Wednesday, 7:30 a.m. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving. So we're getting on up out of here and going to work. I think I went a little overkill on my neck warmers. Definitely did. I put a different one on. Actually, I added one to the layer that covers my nose and kind of shoots when I breathe out of my nose, it shoots the air down. I'm going to see if this helps keep my mask from getting fogged up. Oh, come on, third gear. There you go. Come on. Wow, no gas light. I thought it was on when we left the house. I got some mist on my face shield. Little over marine layer a little low this morning. I guess I can see how these wipers work. A little fog or marine layer. Oh, a little bit of animal. I don't know what that was. It was so mangled. Looks like I've gotten hit a couple times. There's the wipers. I'll have to try out my wipers. Okay, my voice is probably really muffled. With 4 layers of fabric over my mouth. But I want to see if actually, the one wrap that I have on my neck, if it works, I could probably wear just that and one other thing to keep me from breathing out into the face shield and clogging it up. Let's try the wipers. Oh, wow, those work good. You know, those wipers actually do a good job. They really grip it too, kind of like like you go to the car wash and use the window washer. I thought this was just going to kind of slide onto it, but it's pretty rubbery. Let's see. I'll have to try to do the GoPro here in a second. Gives it a little squeegee. Let's see. Did it work? Kind of hard to look in my mirror to see if I was hitting the GoPro good. Let's see. There, how was that? Did I get the water off the GoPro lens? So yeah, it's damp this morning, so this will be a good test of the overpants I got for when it's wet. Because on a morning like this, before I wore it when I did not have the overpants, my pants from the knee down were soaking wet. I'd walk into work and it would look like I walked through a pond knee deep. So hey, it'll be a nice little test. Hey, I like these wipers. I don't have to carry a towel. I have a rag in my pocket right now that I can pull out in my jacket pocket to wipe the water off the lid or my face shield. And I don't need it because I got wipers on my fingers. Okay, I know a lot of you probably have mini gloves with wipers on the fingers. This is my first pair. My first pair of heated gloves too. So I'm easily amused right now. Pretty cool. along with this wet marine layer comes slippery roads. There was a morning like this that I almost bit it in the back of its truck going up over the grade. I think I've told that story before, but here it goes again. I was going too fast for the weather, and traffic just came to a dead stop on the grade, and I was going to work. It was my last day of working in high gear and slow. Anyways, there's a like a work truck in front of me, box type truck with racks on, like a solid square. So I tried to hit my brakes as wide as I could because I didn't want to lock it up because it was wet. But also maneuver around the left of the truck onto the side of the road. And, oh, I barely made it. Well, I didn't quite make it. I did a couple things. I hit my mirror on the back of this truck, and I hit my, one of my highway pegs on the crash bar on the back of his truck. But the bike stayed up, and I didn't go down. So when I got to work and looked at it, I thought, oh wow, I got lucky. I can just loosen this bolts up and move the highway peg back. The mirror looked good at the time, but when I got home that night and I was kind of looking over the bike a little better and fixing the highway peg, I noticed there was like a hairline crack in the mirror, which over time got worse and worse. So I cracked the mirror when I hit it. And on the Sportster, I had those LED mirrors. The LED stopped working in that one too. So that kind of sucked. And then I had to go buy another mirror. Just the mirror by itself was like $120 for a single mirror. Of course, it's Harley mirror, so I guess that makes sense. Man, I don't think I've ever had it this wet on the way to work. I'm like constantly wiping, utilizing my wipers on my fingers. I am glad I got my overpants on because I can guarantee you I'm going to be wet. Or I would be if it wasn't for my gear. Oh, there goes the gas light. I can make it home, no problem. See a little scraping off the GoPro there. I don't know if the GoPro really is looking that wet from that angle. My face shield is just covered. The mask I have on, it's extremely uncomfortable right now. It's not keeping my breath from clogging up the mask, so I ain't wearing this again. It's just too tight. I feel like my face is sweating from it. It's like a neoprene wrap that has a little nose cone and puts the air down, but it's not really doing. It maybe took a little longer to fog up, but it's still fogging up. Okay, face shield's open. Ah, my eyes are watering now from my face shield being open. I'm crying. YouTube. Ride like no one sees you, but everyone's trying to kill you. Ride safe. Oh wow. Oh, it's right. Like half the office has the day off. None of the supervisors asked for it off. I don't know why I didn't ask for the day off. Especially since none of their suits did. Can I find my kickstand? There we go. Yesterday I could not grab my kickstand for the life of me. Nice and wet bike. Look at that. But my jeans are dry. See how wet my pants are? Alright, you two, till next time. Ride like no one sees you and everyone's trying to kill you. Ride safe.